Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the printer and question answer. Okay? Yes. So that's chapter 2 is going on. So only one topic left in this chapter, printer. Yes. So you know that printer is a output device. Okay, and printer gives a permanent output on to a paper. Okay, that's called hard copy, and the output given by a printer is refers to as a hard copy. Yes, or a print out. And printer are classified that's into two types. Okay, student. First, impact printer, and second, non-impact printer. Okay, student. Yes. So impact printer produce the output by processing a print element and an inked ribbon. Okay, yes, against the face of continuous paper form. Okay, so this printer use the ribbon, and ribbon squeezes the into on paper. Okay, the impact printer are classified in two types. Okay, student. Yes, line printer and character printer. Line printer and second character printer. Okay, student. Yes. So that two types. In this printer, impact printer use the ribbon. Okay, student. Yes. And line printer, so that's line printer produce output by printing one line at a time. Okay, yes. So this printer working by a line, one line at a time. Okay, so drum printer is an example of line printer. Okay, student. And second, character printer. So character printer print a character at a time. Okay, so that's print a character at a time, and the point head contains a matrix of dots, and dot matrix printer is an example of character printer. Okay, so these printers are loud and not as fast as other types of printer. So which other type printer? So that's comparison the non-printer. Okay, yes. So non-printer is also two types. Okay, inkjet and laser printer. Inkjet printer and okay, yeah. So non-impact printers are different from impact printer. So the two most commonly used in non-impact printer. Okay, yeah. So that's inkjet and laser. So inkjet printers generate a character by shooting small droplets of ink onto paper, and different techniques are used to spray the droplet of ink onto the paper, student. Okay, yes. So very fast printer is laser printer. Okay, student? Yes. So laser printer is very fast printout comparison than other printer. Okay. Yes. So these printer are toner based. Okay. No any ribbon and no any ink. Okay. So this printer use the toner based, and laser printer print a page at a time. Okay, the laser printer print a page at a time, and they use a laser diode to write information onto drum coated with that material. Okay, student? Yes. So when this material comes in contact with laser beam, an electrostatic charge is produced. Okay, student? Yes. So that's laser printer is very faster comparison than the other printer. Okay, student? Clear? So in this chapter, the process that takes place when a computer is turned on is called as booting, and it performs the routines necessary to get all the components functioning properly. Okay, student? And next topic, post. Post is a set of tests performed by computer. Okay, so just revise this with this chapter. Okay, yes. So post is a set of tests performed by a computer during its start-up routine to make sure its components are working correctly. Okay, yes. So that's work of post. And next, an operating system. So operating system is a basic software that control the functioning. Okay, that's control the functioning of memory, so drives and other parts of computer. Okay, yes, this is working and not working in a proper way. And the next, monitor. Monitor gives instant feedback by display text. Okay, and it is of three types. Monitor present, TFT, CRT and LCD. Okay, CRT cathode ray display, LCD light, that's liquid crystal display, and TFT thin film transistor. Okay, yes. So that's teeny dots of monitor, teeny dots of monitor screen that help to form an image on it are called the pixel. Okay, yes. So teeny dots on a monitor, that's called pixel. Okay, and that's many different pixel made by RGB form. Okay, RGB, that means red, green, blue. Okay, student? Yes. So, and next, your part of computer, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device, and when you press any key of the keyboard, that it display on a monitor. Okay, student? Yes. And when any key from the keyboard is pressed, the microprocessor generates a number called the scan code. Okay, and next, output device, input device, mouse. So mouse help to select any object on the monitor by clicking on it. And student, other name of mouse, this mouse is a pointing device. Okay, yes. And next component, hard disk. So hard disk can store large amount of data, and it is made up of stack of disk called platters. Okay, yes. And next, CD-ROM, compact disk read-only memory, so is made up of bits and lands. Okay, yes. And printer gives permanent output onto a paper. Okay, so they are classified here. Okay, there are two types, impact and non-impact printer. Okay, student. Okay, students. So let's complete your chapter and we'll do the question answer. Okay, student. So first question, MCQ. Okay. MCQ. A computer can not perform any task without an operating system. Okay, student. So third answer, operating system. Okay, yes. And next, mechanical mouse has a rubber ball. So third answer also of this question, rubber ball. C, the button of optical mouse has a, so bottom of optical mouse has a LED. Okay, so first LED, light emitting diode, and that D, how many lines a line printer produce at a time. So first answer 1. Okay, student. Yes, so that's your complete MCQ. And next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. That's second question. Fill in the blanks. First, the fill in the blanks is capable of detecting only most generally types of error. So here, first, post. Okay? Yes. So what is the purpose of post? Power on self text. Okay, student. And second question, the fill in the blanks is a basic software that works as an administrator to all the program, games, etc. So the operating system. Operating system. Okay. And see, the computer monitor is made up of teeny dots called pixel, student. Okay, so fill the pixel. And the surface of each platter in hard disk is coated with the magnetic material. So fill the magnetic material. Okay, student. Oh, sorry. E after D. Pits and lands are small cuts between the disc. Okay. So first fill pits and lands are small cuts between the disc. And impact printer produce the output by pressing a print element and an ink ribbon against the face of continuous paper form. Student, okay? Yes. So fill in the blanks. And your next question, write down the full form. That's write down the full form of the following. Okay, student? So, first, post. So, post power on self test. Okay, student? Clear? And second, full form LCD. LCD, liquid crystal display. Okay, student? LCD. So that's liquid crystal display. And next, RGB. Okay, so RGB, that's red, green, blue. And D, CRT. Okay, so CRT, cathode ray tube. And E, CD-ROM. So student, CD-ROM, compact disk, read only memory. Okay, student? Compact disk, read only memory. And F, RAM. So random access memory. And G, LED. So that's liquid light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. And last, CMOS. CMOS, so complementary M for metal and O for oxide, S for semiconductor. Okay, student? Yeah, so that's your complete full form of form of the following. Okay student, so please read and learn of the full form. Okay, yes, it's very important for the exam. And next, your true false. True or false statement. That's 4. First, a post check if all the hardware components are running properly. Yeah, so that's true. And B, RAM stands read access memory. No, random access memory. Okay, that's false. And C, the monitor gives an instant feedback by displaying text and graphics as you feed. Yes, that's true. And D, the keyboard is most commonly used output device. No, never. Okay, keyboard is an input device, student. Okay, yes. So that's false. And last, E, a mouse help you to operate the computer by clicking on picture instead of typing command. So yes, that's true. So that's your complete true or false. And next, match the following. Okay student, yes. Fifth, match the following. A line printer and one here dot matrix and B character printer. Second, CRT and LCD, and that's monitor. Inkjet and laser printer. And D, non-impact printer and drum. Okay student, so that's line printer. Okay, so line printer use the drum, so fill A. Okay, yes. And character printer, that's dot matrix printer, so answer of B. And monitor, that's C. Okay, and E. Okay student, clear? Line printer A, drum, character printer B, dot matrix, monitor, CRT and LCD C here, and non-impact printer, inkjet and laser, so D here. Okay student, complete your match the following and draw. Next question, label the following. Okay student, so you draw the picture in notebook, plain side paper, page. So look, page number 20. Okay, so here are all name. So look from here, okay, and fill there. Okay, cathode, that one electron beam, then conductive coating, and this is shadow mask, and this is phosphorus coated screen, and this is a anode. Okay student, yes, here are 6 box. So please fill the box and draw the picture on plain side page. Okay student, and next, in next class we will discuss about the very short answer and short question answer. Thank you so much. Have a good day student.